So when it comes to downloader codes, there's a couple which are standing out from the rest. There's a couple which aren't loading you with adverts. You don't need to get hidden pins. You're not pop-up ad here, pop-up ad there. There's a couple of codes which are working, they're updated and have a large selection. And I'm going to show you them in one video. These codes will work on, well, they would work on your mobile phone, not really needed, but they will work on your Fire Sticks, Fire TV devices, Android boxes, Android TV boxes, Google TV boxes, anything running the Android ecosystem. I'll be demonstrated on a Fire Stick 4K Max today, which is this, all around us here. And I'm going to assume to start with you know how to use Downloader. If you don't, just watch through till the end and I will show you how to set Downloader up and make sure it works for you. And we've done a little bit of a tweak to one of the codes in this to make sure it works for even more people as well. And again, like I say, within the codes, there's no advert. That's the key. So, first thing, I would ask, if you can, make sure you hit follow. Best way to follow and help a creator out, follow. And then, if you're a regular watcher here, those shares, those comments go a long, long way. So, what we're going to do, on your streaming device, first you're going to install Downloader. On a Fire Stick, Fire TV device, we go to the magnifying glass and we just type in Downloader. D-O-W, Downloader. Search it, type it, and we install the one which is circled now for you, okay? Install it, and as you open it, accept any permissions as it opens. Where I say these don't have ads, they don't have ads on their actual downloader codes. Downloader itself is full of ads these days, but that's just how it is. Can't do much about that. You'll see them at the bottom. Make sure you accept those permissions, and the first code we're going to type in today is, you wouldn't have heard much about this one, but you would know the destination, 629113. Okay, 629113. As this loads through, this does go to my website. Obviously, I'm going to be putting mine up there because I make sure it's updated. Some apps work on some devices, some apps don't. So if something doesn't work, you try a new one. This used to be 75726. I'm trying to move away from 75726 because it has an issue with the code where it doesn't go to the HTTPS. It's a very old code, so this should load for more of you, okay? If you're on a Fire TV Stick Select or a Fire TV Stick, is it the new HD, which aren't on Android, obviously you can't get Downloader. But for everybody else, this should work. And you load through. At the top there, it will tell you if you're protected or not. You can scan, but as you'll see, no adverts. Okay, this is the website, lots of stuff on here, but the main thing you're looking for today will be app downloads, okay? When you go through to app downloads, in here, it's important that you do know what you're allowed to do in your country, okay? The licensing law is different around the world. We broadcast globally, worldwide, so some apps may be perfectly, obviously some apps may have the license in some countries, not in other countries, and it's hard for us to maintain that when we're obviously sending to many, many people. But check it out for yourself, those ones, and here you will see the different descriptions. At the top you'll see featured apps, or you can pick the sort you want and it will jump and filter it to them for you. Okay, so that was 629113. And again, it is important, when you go to download an app, you read the disclaimer. There's a disclaimer at the bottom of the page, privacy policy, everything like that. The next code we're going to use, again, with no adverts, is 53402. Another good code. This is the code to use if the first code didn't work, or if you're looking for something which isn't on the first code, you check out 53402. This is Tech Doctor. We all know Tech Doctor UK, I'm sure. If you don't, make sure you do follow him on YouTube as well. There we go. And this is his website. Very similar, shall we say. No adverts. And on his one, you would click Get Tools. Okay. You go to Get Tools and you'll get your disclaimer when you get there. Make sure you read through the disclaimer. And again, the same thing would work on this one, making sure you're checking your licensing of the apps in your country. But go down. I'm not going to go too far because I don't want to show any apps, which obviously I may not be able to show in certain countries, so I won't show them. But go down, click them, and they are as simple as click and download. No adverts, nothing to worry about, nice and easy to use. Okay, next up, once you've tried both of those out, what you might need to do if you've never used Downloader is making sure your Downloader works, okay? So, some quick housekeeping for Downloader. You've got it installed. but go to your settings, okay? So go to settings, go to My Fire TV, and what you actually need is developer options. Developer options. So to get developer options, if you don't have it, is click on where it says about, and the top options, mine's a Fire TV, it just says, click there 7 or 8 times, I think it's 7, and it will make you a developer. It will tell you at the bottom. Mine says no need, you're a developer. Go back, click on developer options, turn on ADB debugging, and in install unknown apps, make sure it's turned on for downloader. That allows downloader to install on your device. That should help stop the parse errors. Other ways to stop the parse errors is making sure you're running a VPN, check the link underneath, and the server isn't blocking anything. Same as your ISP maybe. So make sure if the server doesn't work, try a different server. Make sure you've accepted permissions, you've got the latest version of downloader, and you've done those little steps there. And obviously, making sure you follow me. If you have any issues, you can go to my website, docsquiffy.com. We have a live chat there, the community chat. So it's not specifically me answering. I do jump in and out, but I am there, and the community can help each other out. That's the whole idea of it. And again, that's the same layout as that downloader code 629113, which previously was 75726. Brilliant. There's a VPN link underneath for you as well. Descriptions underneath. All my socials, you can reach out for help as well. We are on most platforms, and we're here to try and help. So check those codes out. Hope they work for you. And I've been Doc Squiffy. Let's hit that follow. Let's hit that share. And let's drop me a comment. And I'll see you soon.